Welcome to our YouTube channel Safety Guidelines with loads of videos on different topics. I'm partner of Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to swimming safety for teenagers. As you know, swimming is a fun and generally safe sport. Follow these tips for an injury-free season. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly until the end to get benefits of this video. Swim gears. Here are some basic swimming gear to think about. Number 1, goggles. Number 2, swimsuit. Number 3, swim cap. Number 4, earplugs and nose clips. Goggles. Swimming with leaky, uncomfortable or foggy goggles can be tough on your eyes. Be sure to get a pair of competition or practice goggles that are comfortable and fit for your face. Some swimmers like to have different goggles for practices and competitions. Swimsuits. Choose a swimsuit based on what's most important to you. If you want something that will help you go faster, research brand names and see if they can back up the claims they make. If you want a suit for practice, choose something made with quality materials that will last. Swim caps. Most swim caps are made from latex or silicone. As with swimsuits, choose a cap based on your needs. In general, latex caps are thinner and less expensive, and silicone caps are usually thicker, last longer, and cost more. If you'll be spending a lot of time in a warm pool, a silicone cap might keep your head too warm. Earplugs and nose clips. Some swimmers like to use these to help keep water out of their ears and noses. Earplugs should be specifically designed for use in the water. Noise-cancelling earplugs won't make a watertight seal. Nose clips should fit comfortably and stay in place as you swim. Safe swimming. To prevent injuries during practice and meets, swimmers should: Number 1, always warm up and stretch before swimming. Number 2, take time off from training if they feel shoulder, neck or other pains. They can try a different stroke or do something else out of the pool to stay in shape. Swimmers can go back to their regular stroke after the pain is gone. Number 3, wear water-resistant sunscreen of sun protection factor, which means SPF 30 or greater for outdoor practices and meets. Number 4, check that the pool is deep enough before diving. Number 5, know the plan for emergencies. Number 6, to help prevent overuse injuries, swimmers should build up extra swimming time or distances slowly. Number 7, learn and use proper techniques. Number 8, do other sports that strengthen different muscles, especially core and abdomen muscles. Thanks for watching this video. Our team is grateful towards the people who have already subscribed our channel, and those who haven't, please do remember to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to receive notifications regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment and share our videos to encourage our team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.